Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today working on Dad's truck, actually working on the inside. We're knee deep in a clean out, a much needed clean out of his truck. I'll show you some before pictures of what I was dealing with. So I'll show you what we got so far. And there we go. You can see there's some damage to the seat. I've got something coming for those. I did an initial vacuum on here. I've got to do it again because the carpets were wet. This is winter time, so carpets are wet. Again, I've got something for that. I'm going to show you in a second. But probably do a second vacuum because this thing was just so bad. But not looking too bad now. What it was, yeah, it's not bad now. But I'll show you a few things that I got for it. Okay, so here's the first thing we've got, or I got for his truck here. Got the full WeatherTech floor mat. It goes over the hump, covers pretty much everything. So this is going to be nice. There are no more wet carpets because this is going to contain all that snow. I've got just picked this up too actually. It's a Bissell carpet cleaner. I'm going to clean the carpets before I throw that mat down just because they were so bad that I'm going to clean them out. So yeah, we'll see how that works. Hopefully that works really good. So I'm waiting on one more thing. It's due today. Like I said, I've got something for that coming. So we'll see how that works out. And I've got to get going. I got to vacuum the seats, and then I got to get that Bissell out, and I'm going to start scrubbing the floors down. Okay, so I picked up some seat covers here. I went with the rough country ones for Dad's truck. I got the Carhartt ones in mind, but wanted to give these a try. A lot of people seem to love them. They do have a nice feel to them. I've got the seat bottom here. I've got a seat back. I got most of it already installed in the truck. There's a headrest cover here. We've got the truck pretty well cleaned out, as clean as it's gonna get, I think. Carpets, they look nice and dry, so I'll be able to get the WeatherTech mat installed. You can see I've got the driver's side seat installed, and I've got the covers on the center console, and then the one below it. I know in the reviews a lot of people say stuff don't fit, but I think they just don't know how to install stuff. But yeah, it's looking pretty good, guys. I think Dad's gonna really enjoy these. I've got to get the headrest off that other seat there, and then start installing the passenger side cover. You got to take this headrest off, and there's a button right there. You got to push that button down and raise the headrest to about there, and then there's a hole right there, and you got to stick something small enough to get in there, and you got to push on that. Okay, so the only special thing you really need to know to put these seat covers on is the headrest has to come out, and there's a button there's a button right here you got to push. You're going to bring it up, and you got to take something sharp and stick it in a hole over here and push on it, and you can get it to come out. Sometimes you got to take your seat and bring it ahead to get this to come out. Okay, so I'm about to put this floor mat, WeatherTech floor mat in. The only prep you got to do is you got to take these spiky things and you've got to install them. There's 1, 2 on this side, and there's 1, 2 on this side, and they just push in. You got to push them into a little deal and they snap in. I like to use a like a socket like this to push on them, because they are spiky and they are sharp and they will cut you. So that's I got to get the 2 on the passenger side there, and then we'll be ready to install that. So that's gonna do it for this one, guys. I think it turned out real nice. Couple days of work here. Gonna add a bunch of protection. I forgot to show my repair. I did sew that rip. I'll show a picture of it just to help when they slide in and out, they don't keep ripping it under the seat cover here. Already getting it a little dirty, but it's gonna happen. So I really like these seat covers so far. We'll see how they handle dirt and stuff, but I guess guys, I'll see ya.